Filmery. I'm Donata.
And I'm Reggie.
And we are going to review the movie Super. So, we didn't review this movie. If it was ever in theaters, I don't necessarily remember.
Right. I don't remember either. Probably one of them independent movies that may have been out for like a day, if it was out.
If it was out.
But it's not a Netflix movie, but we saw it on Netflix.
We saw it on Netflix, and I told him, I was like, you have to see this movie. So it's got Rainn Wilson, it's got Kevin Bacon in it, Liv Tyler's in it, and
Ellen Page.
And Ellen Page, who we all know from Juno. From Juno. From Juno, yeah, from Juno. You call it Jumba?
Jumba.
We have a cousin named Jumba. But everybody should have a cousin named Jumba.
True.
But, so, what did you think about Super?
Super was eccentric. It was like an independent film, really. It was they did stuff that they wouldn't probably have done in a mainstream movie. You know what I mean? As far as murder, basically. A lot of murder in it.
So Super is about a guy whose wife she on cocaine,
yeah,
and her drug dealer wants to be with her, and so he takes her and not kidnaps her, like she willingly goes. And so he, in his head, because he probably has some bipolar things going on, he thinks she's kidnapped and he needs to save her. But to do this, he's being talked to by the voices in his head to become a superhero and to go and save her. And he ends up murdering a lot of people. It is a very weird movie.
It's a very weird movie. It's kind of like Kick Butt on steroids, really. I mean,
like to the 12th
right.
hour.
It's what it does is it does what Kick Butt couldn't do.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like,
which is why I don't think it was in the movie.
Right. So yeah, it was good. I'm glad my sister, told me to see it, because it's it's a movie that is different. Even though it did remind you of Kick Butt, but it was, like I said, it was just like to the third degree. It was intense.
It was intense. If you like Quentin Tarantino movies,
yes,
you'll probably definitely like this. It definitely takes things to another level that you just kind of like, did that just happen?
Right.
And it really, honestly, if someone in the world wanted to become a superhero, this is probably what would happen.
Exactly. That's what I was going to say. It's very realistic.
Stretch. Like,
right.
There is no stretch to this or anything
right.
like that. Like, they're not. No one knows karate. No one even knows basic karate. Not even
true.
Basic karate. They just fighting, and
right.
it is funny.
It is. That's you put it perfectly. Like, if someone were to think, I don't want to go out there, so you just watch the movie first, and you'd be like, nah, I'm good, because there's like not even really a happy ending. Not really. Mm-hmm. I mean, from the beginning, it's you said it perfect. If someone were to try to do this is exactly, it potentially what could happen, I think. Probably if I did it, if I wanted to be a superhero, this is exactly what would happen to me.
So don't do
it. For sure.
Watch Super first. Okay?
Right. Watch Super first.
So check out all our reviews. Go to www.siblingfilmery.com. That's FILMALRY.com. Siblingfilmery.com. See you.